YouTube! Here's February's Elves box. For those of you that just watched January's Elves box, you'll know that I'm filming these back to back. And I have waited. I have been such a good girl. You would be proud of me. I have waited. I haven't opened them at all. And I was tempted because I did have minutes here and there where I could have done. But that wouldn't be very fair. Oh, okay. So February's is Animal Parade. Oh, that's cute. Exclusive animal silicone molds and lots of cuteness. And again, hashtag your creations, hashtag the Elves box at Instagram. I really must get an Instagram. Oh, this has got 2 cards. Okay. Member exclusive. Again, a coupon code. But it's March now. No, wait, it's April. It's the end of April. Good grief. There'll be another one coming tomorrow, I'm sure. Anyway, so item contents. That's slightly different with the box. This time, they have put pictures on the back, which kind of spoils it, to be perfectly honest. But some of you that might prefer that. Again, noodles. I love these things. I swear. Number 1, unicorn, giraffe, dog, cat, open bezel charms. Oh, I love when we get open bezels. I don't know why. It's sort of like doing cloisonne work. You know, you can like fill them with things. It's just, I don't know, it's the whole stained glass effect. It floats my boat. What can I say? Alright, let's see. Rattly packet. Come on, rattly packet. I swear, with all these rattly packets, you could do one of those, is it ASMR things? SMAR? I'm useless. Alright, here we are. Unicorn. Oh, there's the unicorn. Oh, that's precious. Look at that. I swear I am a 9-year-old girl. Unicorn. Giraffe. Oh, he's cute too. Wait, move over. Giraffe. Wait, let's just do them one at a time, Leanne. Don't be a wally. Okay, unicorn and giraffe. Sweet as that. I'm going to have fun with those. And then we have dog and cat. Oh, it's one of those little, what do you call those little, like a dwarf cat with its ears down that you see on Japanese YouTube. I love those. And this looks like a sort of a Shiba Inu kind of dog. That's so cute. I have one with those. Number 2. Oh, look. And the little bag that they came in has got these little bags. I bet they'd be quite useful for keeping your beads when you're traveling and things like that as well. They're quite hard wearing. Alright, stop waffling, Leanne. Dreamy PVC stickers random design. Dig to the bottom. Here they are. Are you a PVC sticker? Oh, it's one of those sort of the raised bubble stickers. Can you see those? You know, the ones that are... You used to get them when we were at junior school. They're sort of... They look like they've been resined over the top, frankly, which is probably what they have been. But mine are seaside themed. It did say random design, so somebody else might have got something different. But I quite like those seaside-y themed things. I haven't got anything seaside, so that's fun. Sophie and Toffee clear hard resin. Here's the noodles all flying around. We get that every month, which I'm building up quite ahead of it, and which is great because, especially these smaller bottles, you know, you can use the smaller bottles just when you're moving around. Recently, I was away on business, and actually, I took some stuff with me. It's sad but true. To play with in my hotel room. So this is the hard resin, again, 25 grams. It's pretty much 25 grams that you get every month. And like I say, I'm building up. Colourful beads for boba tea mold. Boba tea mold? Okay, wait. Let's find colourful beads and not get distracted. Ooh! Those are nice. They're probably going to fly all over if I do that. Stop it. Oh, well. This is going to be a recipe for disaster. There we go. Oh, those are gorgeous. Are they focusing, we ask ourselves? Oh, sorry, darlings. Boink. If you could see how I sit, you'd understand. Oh, there goes one. Those are cute. They would go good with my little seaside something or other. I'll figure it out. Put the lid on that. Bear keychain times 2. This is a sort of a random box, isn't it? It's quite random. It's all animal related, I suppose. It doesn't follow. It's like usually the boxes come and they're very very structured. I quite like that this one's a bit random. Those are cute. Little. How do you do that? Ooh. Oh, that's its tail, doofus. I was trying to use this as a lever. Apparently not a lever. Oh, honestly, I really need to get a grip. So, let's see. Miniature candy bear silicone mold. Candy bear. Oh, you look miniature. Oh, I think it's a gummy bears. They say candy bears. Please be gummy bears. I love these teeny tiny molds. Look at that. How adorable is that? People, it's gummy bears. Can you see them? Gosh, they're super tiny. I don't even know if my camera will focus that much. Super tiny gummy bears. I bet those would be lovely as little pendant inserts, or I mean, you could make a bunch of them and use them in one of the shaker molds. They give you enough shaker molds. That would be awesome. So what else have we got? Miniature. Okay, did that. Clear film for shaker molds. There you go. See, they give you enough stuff for shaker molds. Okay, apparently everything wants to stick to this, including the bowls. There's clear film for shaker molds. I bet some of you who use this on a regular basis have got some ideas about what one could use instead of getting it in a box. I bet there's other stuff. Old sandwich trays or something that you could use. I haven't experimented yet though. Bear gumball machine shaker mold. Ooh, ooh. Well, you've got a bear on you. Are you a gumball machine? Are you a gumball machine? You look like... Everything's got a bear on it. How nice, except for that one. Let's try this one. So sweet. The packaging. Half the time I get a real thrill out of the packaging, to be perfectly honest. I should have been some kind of graphic designer. The amount of entertainment I get out of their cute little packages. This one says, "Thank you. The happy chance to see you. Wish you happy every day." Well, that's sort of a gumball machine, I would think. Yes. I guess you put the stuff in his head. Can you see that? It's kind of super. It's a bear in a pair of, it looks like he's wearing dungarees. What's a dungarees in American? I don't remember. Braces? Anyway, it's got a little star. And there's another little bear here. There's little bear heads on it. I guess you could make bear heads and put them in his head. Although that would be just surreal. But such is life. So that's pretty. I'll get a kick out of that. 3D unicorn ice cream mold. I think that was the ice cream. I said I could see an ice cream. Again, look at the bear. Present for you, it says. Thank you. Thank you. I like the little presents. Let's see. Oh, rattly. Okay, they didn't lie, did they? 3D unicorn ice cream mold. It sort of looks like a bear head with a unicorn horn as well. That's hilarious. That's hilarious. Some of this stuff I have no idea what to do with, I'll be honest with you. But it gives me a trip. Bunny 3D ice cream mold. More ice cream. They're mad for the ice cream. Look at that. For you, because you are special, I want to see your face with a smile. Well, I'm smiling now, Chuck. Oh, that one's cute. It's got bunny ears and I guess it's sort of bunny shaped cone. They're so cute. So many cute things, I swear. Bear boba tea shaker mold. That must be this one. It looks to be the only one left. This one says, "Bonjour pour un vie plus agréable." So that's this is very nice. It's agreeable to you. I don't know why they suddenly went French there, but okay. We'll roll with it. Oh. Okay, it's upside down. Look at that. So, Oh, this is a Bear Boba tea shaker mold. That can't possibly be. That looks like a lollipop. This must be the 3D unicorn ice cream mold. And this one was the one that I said looked like a bear. This is the bear tea shaker mold. And colour changing glitter. Colour changing glitter. Which I'm reliably informed if I were to show my LED light, which I don't know where it is. I'll just stick it under my lamp for a second. Is my lamp on? No, it's not. Gosh, I'm useless at this. Well, anyway, if you shine your UV light on it, it'll glow up. It doesn't say what. Oh, it's purple. Purple. Very nice. Yay! So once again, a very nice box. Very pretty. I love these. I really do. I look forward to this every month. I don't know if any of you are actually getting this box, but I seriously look forward to it every month. And if it comes when I'm having had a bad day, it's so funny because the giant that I live with will sort of shake the box as I arrive in the evening. He's home ahead of me. He's all like, look what you got a box. And I'm all, yay, made my day. So here is, oh, missed a bit. That was February's box. I hope to make some cute little bits with it. I'm definitely going to make something cute with this. Actually, January's box had some stuff in that might go with that. That's another thing. They all mix up very nicely. So thank you. Thank you, YouTube. Have a great week.